Tomorrow's Thursday, and then that's it, Friday, and it's going to feel more like fall, South Florida style. Wait until you see the temperatures around the rest of the U.S., but yeah, a mix of sun and clouds there from our Brard camera and our Key West camera, looking fantastic with plenty of sunshine. You know, we had some showers earlier this morning, and thankfully it's been pretty quiet since then. The breeze, though, has been increasing out of the east about 8 to 12 miles an hour, and temperatures rising quickly. 87 in Kendall, 85 in Homestead, 83 in Fort Lauderdale, 84 in Pompano Beach, 87 in Key West. And when you add in the humidity, oh boy, it feels like the mid to upper 90s out there. And then when we take a look at what's happening across the Panhandle, they're enjoying fall-like weather with 40s in Pensacola, 62 in Tallahassee, 73 in Gainesville. So yeah, there's that front. It's going to take its sweet time moving through. It's going to actually start to push through tomorrow, and it won't clear likely till late tomorrow. So we're going to be stuck in the warmth at least through tomorrow afternoon. But look at the 30s across much of the central and northern U.S. even still at this time. And then 44 in Houston, 40s in New Orleans and New York City, 37 in Boston. And you can see that front not only leading to wet weather across parts of the Florida Panhandle through the southeast and the Carolinas, but look at all this wintry weather, all that snow, that ice, that sleet that's impacting parts of the deep south because it's just that cold. And then we have high pressure, unfortunately, keeping it dry and quiet across the west coast where they're still battling those wildfires in California. So here's our next front. It is going to bring us a dip in temperatures, not as cold as what we're seeing around the rest of the U.S. That dip in the jet stream, though, is certainly going to help us at least feel a little cooler and less humid by Friday. The core of the coldest air will, of course, be across the northern tier of the country, but we're going to get a taste of it too here. Now, as we take a look at the tropics, the Hurricane Center has been decreasing the chance for this disturbance to develop. It's just having a difficult time staying together. There's an upper level low. There's a lot of dry air. It's interacting with some of these islands where it still could bring some heavy rain and gusty winds there for parts of Hispaniola and Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands and the Bahamas. For us, though, today, 87 degrees. Keep in mind our average high 82. So we're going to be above that today and even a few degrees above that tomorrow. Now, there could still be a few scattered showers this afternoon. For boaters, no advisories. Wind southeast 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 4. For tonight, mild and muggy with mid-70s, passing showers. So tomorrow we could see spotty storms along the front or ahead of the front, but by Friday, low 60s, highs in the low to mid-70s, cooler, drier, and a pleasant breeze even into Saturday, 79, but then highs back in the 80s Sunday.